Alright, what is up, YouTube? Here we are. We're gonna go for a ride with the boys today. Got a pretty decent group. They're all the way up at the gas station right now, but I was taking a minute to put the GoPro on. And get a wheelie in, but I'm gonna get some gas and get going. Ooh, big bike do cool wheelie.
Just a motherfucking kiss. Oh, oh, oh. Hey, money, fuck bitches. Yeah, Pittsburgh. Hey, John. Hey, these hoes is drunk. Wanna come and smoke this blunt? Then let me take them home and do anything I want. I said, baby, I can ride ya. Just let me get inside ya. I can take you higher if you hit this vaporizer. I got that dope dick, I be a supplier. You grabbing on my sheets and hitting notes like you Mariah. Obsessed with me, undressed a freak on ecstasy. I'm out and then she texting me like, what you doing next week, next week?
Caleb, you see that shit?
The girl love me, let her love me. Feel me? So baby.
Anyone want to see some dog nuts? You know it. That was pretty sweet. I'll dig it. Honda Sexual. That's a new one. I'm like humping your bike right now. America. I don't know. Ooh. He's got a dirt bike. Lean back. there's a big old truck. Yee-hoo, brother. Yee-hoo. Devin is perfectly in sync with you, Caleb. Oh, this looks sick. Yo, that's perfect. The cross. Caleb and Jeffrey are like perfect, and then there's a red light. That was sick. It looks great, and I got it on GoPro. I'll send it to everyone. Not really. Damn. Nice. It's coming. Yikes. That was a little close, boys. Go. Yeah. Oh, I scraped the shit. I can't see. Let's just not go west. Eh? Keep going now. No, no. Ah, he's coming. Ah. He's trying to hit my tire. Oh no. We gotta go. There's a car. I bumped into his tire and he was trying to back up and hit me, and I was running.
Don't cry.